Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Monica, and in today's video I am going to be giving my family room a little bit of a refresh. I will be taking the Easter decor down and giving a really clean look. So I hope that you guys all enjoyed today's video, and I hope it inspires you to do some decorating as well. So I am going for a very fresh, clean, neutral look here in my family room. And with that being said, I am going to be taking these pillow covers off and washing them, as well as the slip cover that's on my sofa. I do like to wash these at least every couple months. They do get kind of dirty. I have some teenage boys and a really big dog. My dog does not get on the furniture, but he does kind of lay up against it and all that stuff. So it does get kind of dirty. And I love that I can just take this off of the sofa and just quickly throw it in the washer. If you're visiting my channel for the very first time today, I want to say hello and welcome, and I do hope that you consider subscribing to my channel. Just click on that red subscribe button right now so you don't forget. Also, you are going to want to go follow me over on my Instagram. I do post over there every single day, and I give little sneak peeks of my upcoming videos, and I also do a little bit of my everyday life, so head on over there. My handle is left up here on the screen. I also have a clickable link in my description box. So as much as I absolutely loved the way I had my mantle decorated for springtime, I felt like it was due for a little bit of a change. So I am taking all of that down, and I'm going to be cleaning my mantle off. I will be using the Rosewater and Driftwood, or Rosewater Driftwood by Caldrea all-purpose cleaner. And then I will also be using this Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner in the lavender scent. I'm going to use that to clean my chandelier sconces that I have up here. I do get asked about these when I show them in my videos, and I purchased these quite a while ago off of some website that I don't even remember. I have seen these exact ones on the Home Depot website only. They don't have them in store. If I can find that link again, I will leave that in my description box. It feels so good to have this mantle all cleaned off and that decor put away. This room is very small, and as much as I love decorating and adding really pretty decorations to my mantle, it feels so much better when it is all cleaned off and nice and like bare almost. But I did want to add a little bit of decor over here, but I wanted to go very neutral, and I found this really pretty print at Marshall's, and it was extremely affordable. It was only $39.99, and I loved the colors that were in here. and it had like a spring summer feel to it, so I thought it would look perfect up here. And then I was going to pull those colors and then kind of add that to the rest of the room. So I'm just using a piece of painter's tape to measure where the holes are going to go, and I love hanging my pictures this way. It takes out any type of guesswork that I need to try to figure out as far as placement for the nails. So this is a very easy trick, and I use this all the time when I hang anything. So I really like to try to use items that I already have in my home, and I was so lucky to find these wooden candlesticks and this really pretty candle holder, as well as those little sconces that you see on the sides. And I think everything goes together beautifully. I did think that this faux plant was a little too green and it didn't go with the picture, so I found this lamb's ear garland. And I know it's not like a cascading plant, or it's really not supposed to go in this pot here, but I kind of twisted it up a little bit and made it look like it was meant for this little space, and I think it turned out so pretty.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts.
Okay, so I am all done with the mantle area. I am so happy with the way it looks. It is nice and fresh and clean looking and simple, and I absolutely love it. So now that my slipcover and those pillow covers are all nice and clean, I just took them out of the dryer, and now I'm just going to get this sofa put back together. This was very easy to make. If you are wanting to make a slipcover for your sofa, and you know the basics of sewing, because I am not an expert at sewing, believe me, I pretty much know a straight stitch and that is about it. But this was very easy to do. I am going to find what I used off of Pinterest, and I'm going to leave that link in my description box. I used it as a guide. I didn't use it to the T, but I thought that it was a very simple one, and I just want to share that with you guys if you are interested in making a slipcover for your sofa.
Be free with me. Be free.
also wanted to change this little area over here, which is my ottoman, and I just wanted to clean it up really well and just kind of add something very pretty. So I came up with the idea of taking one of those mirrors that I had on my mantle and using that as a tray, and I'm just going to quickly clean it up, and I will be using that glass cleaner by Mrs. Meyer's. And then I'm going to be adding my 2 lanterns, and to kind of give it a little bit of a height difference, I'm going to add a mini riser to one of them. And I did get the mini riser at Home Goods, and then I purchased the white lanterns at Hobby Lobby, and I do believe that I got that mirror at Tuesday morning. So I do have this mini hedge that's just off of my kitchen, and it is pretty much part of the family room as well as the kitchen area. So I wanted to switch things up just a little bit over here as well. I wanted to take out some of that color and then just add some more neutral white tones in here, or just kind of make it a little more neutral looking. So I thought these pictures would look really pretty in here, and I love the way this looks. I took out those coral colored flowers, and then I just added some monochromatic whites in here. I used some white lilacs and some white hydrangeas, and I did have a little bit of an issue with keeping them to stay, so I did add some foam down at the bottom to help with that. But I love how everything turned out. I think it looks so pretty, and it does look really fresh and clean. And when you do have small spaces to work with, it's really nice to use a lot of neutral colors. It just kind of gives that calming feel, and even if you do have somewhat of more decor than normal, when you use those neutral colors, it seems a little less, if that makes sense. It just kind of helps everything all flow together. And I am so happy with this room. I'm so happy with the way this little hutch area turned out and the family room, and I can't wait to work on the kitchen, and that will be the next video. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on that. I am just super excited. I think I'm going to be making some big changes in the kitchen, so I don't want you to miss out on those videos. But I hope that you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down in the comment section. Just say hi, maybe just leave an emoji to let me know that you watched the video all the way through. It really does help my channel so much. And again, thank you so much for watching. I hope it gave you some decorating inspiration and some cleaning motivation as well. And I will see you all in the next one, and I hope you guys all have an amazing day.